Hi, everyone. Our product is called YourRoomz, and I'm Pat, the product manager.
Hi, I'm Olayinka Fadare, and I'm the product designer on the project.
Hi, I'm Roy Anger, and I'm the developer on the project.
So we came into this project understanding one thing, that there are a lot of people out there that struggle with designing their living rooms, us included. And we also noticed that there are some positive economic trends that suggest there's an opportunity here, with interior design spending rising in 2020 overall, and a McKinsey poll that suggests the spending might continue, with 30% of responders saying they plan on splurging on their home after the pandemic. And for comparison, 30% also said they'd spend more on in-person restaurant dining, out-of-home entertainment, and travel. But more specific to our problem, though, is that there's significant search traffic for online interior design solutions. But as we interviewed more and more people, we started to notice that the common denominator for most interviewees was that they had pre-existing furniture and they didn't know how to build around what they already had. And that leads us to our problem statement, which is how might we make finding the missing pieces that will complement the current state of a living room easier for people who already have some furniture so that they're able to quickly create an environment that's ideal for them.
Now, this is Mary. She's a persona. She's a software engineer. She's looking to move into a new apartment soon. She lives alone. She loves checking decor ideas on Pinterest, but she can't afford to put in time to set up her living room because she's really busy. Now, what does Mary need? She wants to decorate her home without needing the services of an interior decorator because she can afford it. She wants to fit in her pre-existing items into her living room, and she wants to immediately purchase the remaining items that she needs.
Our web application is a solution that meets the user at whatever stage of the home furnishing journey they're at and enables them to find items that complement their existing rooms more efficiently. Welcome to the YourRoomz app demo. Our app will allow the user to log in with a social media account and create a user for them so they can begin the onboarding process. During the onboarding process, we will capture information about the room that they're looking for recommendations for, as well as the furniture that they currently have. The furniture they have currently in particular will be used to generate the recommendations. So we capture things like the color of the furniture, obviously the type of furniture, as well as the style. And that information is then used for the recommended searches. We allow them to pick the categories that they want to get recommendations for, in this case, accent chair and coffee table. And then we generate results based off of Amazon. So currently we're querying the Amazon API and getting some results. So we can see that the results will end up being a style match, as well as a complementary color match to what they currently have. The user can look through the items that were returned and select something that they wish to preview, drag it into the preview pane, see a larger version, as well as the rating and the price information. And they can swap to the other category and also choose something. So we'll choose that coffee table, and they can preview those together. Once they've decided what they like, they can just select them and add to cart. The cart will give them their subtotal. Again, they'll be able to see the ratings, the price, and they'll have a link to go and purchase the item from Amazon.
The three things that I learned were how to test the hypothesis in order to validate demand, how to filter a broad problem down to a solution by incorporating user feedback and technical feasibility, and that trusting and empowering teammates to perform their role in their own unique way is a core value of high-functioning teams.
I learned to be intentional about constant communication with my team members, most especially my developers, to ensure that we are always in sync. I also experienced the value of team members sharing ideas with each other. I carried out usability tests and learned about using feedback from usability tests to improve on the product.
Working with my COLAB pod gave me a unique experience in working with a multidisciplinary team using agile project management methods. We had to focus on developing a project that met the problem needs and scope the features in the project as a whole so that we can meet the timeline provided.